welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula Vlogs. I am Jo. So I'm going to show you my artwork today. So here is a small preview of all the paintings that I'm going to show you guys today. I will be sharing with you guys my paintings that I have painted over the past 3 months. So let's dive straight into that. So a little about my paintings. So even before I start the painting on the canvas, I keep 4 things in mind: visual analysis, style and technique, and finally the concept and its meaning. The first painting that I'm going to show you is called The Path to Transition. So I used a very rich and layered palette, warm yellows, oranges and browns, which contrasts beautifully with cooler purples, blues and even greens. The painting I'm going to show you just now was meant to give a harmony between the man-made structures and the natural beauty. Overall, the painting was meant to feel tranquil and alive, as it captures a moment of serenity and anticipation. So the open gate in my painting represented or interpreted curiosity, transition or opportunity. So this particular painting I've completed in 3 weeks time, and I love this painting for 2 reasons. It makes me very joyful, and it brings a lot of joy seeing such vibrant colors. And secondly, this gate, guys, pay attention to this gate. So this is basically an open opportunity or transition. Let me know what you guys think of this painting. So my fascination for abstract art reflects in this painting that I'm going to show you right now. My painting is called Frequencies of White. So this artwork features concentric, circular and linear patterns in black over a predominantly white background, with a subtle touch of color like small hints of yellow, pink, green, which appear here and there in the painting, obviously. Another strong testimony of my love for abstract painting reflects in the next painting that I'm going to show you guys. And this painting is called Ecliptic. For this striking abstract piece, I used swirling shades of deep blue with a faintly glowing golden ring. The idea is to invoke a sense of calm energy and infinity. As a person, I'm a nature lover, and my paintings reflect my love for nature in some way or the other. My search for peace, calm and serenity in my real life reflects in my paintings as well. So I'm a big endorser of peace and quiet, or peace and calm. The painting I'm going to show you next is called The Lotus Under the Silver Light. This one is a stunning and an atmospheric piece, and the one that I'm going to show you being the showstopper painting of my collection. As part of the composition of this painting, I looked at symmetry, I looked at path of light, I looked at mountain silhouettes, and as far as the color palette is concerned, I used deep blues and greens, which beautifully contrast with the soft pink and white lotus blossoms. I'm trying to get an amazing moonlight reflection, which is very meditative, because in real life I like to sit under the moon and talk to the moon. That might sound crazy, but I love to do it. Like just sit under the moon and talk to the moon. That's easy, right? But it's fun, try it. The concept and mood of this painting was to evoke serenity, introspection and natural harmony. As we all know, Lotus is a symbol of purity and enlightenment. And this combined with full moon conveys a sense of awakening and calm contemplation. So the icing on the cake is, guys, my name means Lotus under the moonlight. So through my growing up years, I never liked my name as such, but I love the meaning of my name. And I'm a nature lover, so I would always seek answers in nature. Anything, if I'm sad, I go to the trees, look at them, I watch birds. I'm a full-fledged nature lover, and all my paintings reflect that. This is the current painting I am working on. So this is from my collection, Lotus Under the Silver Light. So there'll be a lot more paintings coming up. This being my star painting of the collection, there'll be more in line with this, which I'm hoping to complete in the next 2 or 3 months. So today I'm inspired by all the beautiful paintings and colorful paintings, and I'm going to make a dish that is, I'll try to make it as colorful and beautiful as the paintings you guys have seen just now. So let's see. 2 cups of fresh cranberries. To that I'm adding 100 grams of grated jaggery and about a cup of water, a stick of cinnamon, add some fresh orange zest. So I love cranberry sauce for its color. It's got that deep red color, which is so gorgeous to look at. And our beautiful cranberry sauce is now ready, guys. There you go. We'll leave it for another 2 minutes and get it off the heat. Now I'll transfer this cranberry sauce into our storage jar. There you go, guys. Our very colorful and tasty cranberry sauce is now ready. Our yummy cranberry sauce is now ready, guys, and this I'm going to store it in this storage jar in the fridge and bring it out whenever I need it. My today's 2 cents is obviously coming from my favorite artist, Pablo Picasso. One thing about Pablo Picasso is he's not just a great painter, but amazing with his quotes. Like, I can listen to his quotes all day and get inspired. So he's something else. So there you go, guys. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. How beautiful is this? I think in a way, art definitely is a de-stressor. You know, it's a deviation. I think for me, art is a way to express, and I love to express my imaginations, my thoughts, everything on the canvas. So it makes me happy to paint. And that's the reason why I love painting. I enjoy painting. Today I'm inspired obviously by my paintings, and I'm dedicating this to all the artists and painters. I know it is not easy to paint. It takes a lot of time and effort and imagination, so it drains your mind, but the ultimate result, the ultimate award that you get at the end of all this exhaustion is, I can't say it in words, but that gives you a lot of satisfaction. So art to me is my living. So I love painting. From my childhood, I believed very strongly that one should not just express with their mouth, but also through art. See you guys next Saturday at 9 a.m. PST. Until then, bye-bye.